look at it.
That's okay.
So it's recorded.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. First step, make sure you measure your solute. So on your balance, hit tare. Put a weighing boat. Sorry about that. I didn't give you guys good weighing boats. Oops, daisies. Also didn't give you scupulas. So we just used a plastic spoon that we'll just throw away, although it's just washing soda. So Evan, you're gonna measure out 10.6, something more than that, but that's okay. Our balances could have read one more, so 10.6. I don't remember what it was actually. 0.67. I'm not positive. And then I'm sorry about this. I also didn't give you guys funnels. So what you'll have to do is you have to make a choice here. I'm going to call it the Bergen funnel. Oh, 10.611, right? So you could transfer your solid using a funnel, paper funnel that like Bergen made, and I think Michael did. There we go. Good enough.
Good enough.
So, but Evan's going to put it into a beaker that has water, but make sure it's only like 40 mils of water or 30 or something smaller than, way smaller than 100. Because I think we can probably transfer Evan. Yeah, just don't try not to spill. Like Evan did. So we won't have 1 molar for Evans, but that's okay. Hopefully it's just a little bit. There we go. Okay. And then what you could do is you could rinse that cover off. So that's going to make us not have 1 molar, but that's fine. For this lab, as long as it's around 1 molar, it'll still work. A lot of you found that dissolving this was very time consuming. So 1 molar solutions are actually fairly strong. And they do take a while to dissolve if they're made from a solute. So some of you at this point had it in the flask, which was really the best choice. I probably needed to give you more beakers, a funnel, a scupula, and maybe even just plastic pipettes.
I can pour this into the other thing.
Yeah, so then dissolve it as much as you can and then pour it into there. Now, normally you would make the solution in the volumetric flask completely, but because I didn't give you a funnel, it made it really hard.
This might not work out as well.
Yeah.
Because look at the
yeah, because this is what a lot of people had the same issue. So you have to kind of get that solid into the funnel. So you could do a couple choices, try to coax it down the beaker spout like that. And you can use a spoon or the stirring rod to do this. So this is the benefit of kind of learning why you want a funnel or why you want maybe those nicer weighing boats. And it all stemmed from me just forgetting to give you more equipment.
Good enough.
That's not good enough.
What do you mean?
Structurally, we're not, you're looking at it, I mean, we're not set up how it was.
So you know you'll be in the video. He just didn't hear us.
He can't hear us. That's okay.
It's okay. The whole family's going to join in.
Okay, all right.
All right, Evan. Now this is getting a little dangerous. We're getting a little close to the neck of the flask. We're going to call that good. It's definitely going to be less than 1 molar. And then a lot of you were really creative about this point, using a beaker with some distilled water to fill it to the line. You could also do the inverting, which was smart. A lot of you did that, so Evan will show you. There we go. But it does take a while for that solution to dissolve. So Evan's video is not super long. What he's going to do is he's going to wait for that to dissolve. Okay. Add more water. And then a lot of you used this, which was probably a good choice, to add the last few little drops of water. So we're going to live on the edge because Evan's solution is already kind of a little bit lower. So if you just take the parafilm off, Evan, you gotta, so I actually have to get to Bayport. So then what Evan will do, or I will do, or help him. What's that popped up there?
Hmm?
I can't even see what we're doing. So you'd fill it to the neck, okay, but then you'd really slow down. And most of you then just added using this, which was smart, but because I'm here, I'm a good pourer. I'm gonna live on the edge, which you shouldn't really do. I'm just gonna fill it to the line so that the meniscus is right on that line. Now, a lot of you noticed that as this sat, it dropped below. So what you would do is as this sits and dissolves, you can see all the air bubbles coming out. You will need to then just add more water, and then Evan can use this just to drop in that last few little drops of water to get it to the meniscus, because right now it's most likely dropping below, and it's all kind of foamy too. That's just the way it looks. It's not really, it is kind of like a soap, so that's why you're going to get some of those bubbles. Okay, all right. All right, I gotta go now.
Okay.